How to fix Android phone not receiving text messages. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Android phone not receiving text messages. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Clear cache and cookies for the message apps. Clearing cache will fix temporary glitches on your device applications. For that, you can tap and hold Message app and tap I button in order to access your app info section of messages. Now tap Storage Users, tap Clear Cache, come back. Second step to follow is make sure to allow notification on Messages apps. Open Manage Notification and make sure to toggle the button on. If it is toggled off, there may be the issues of Android phone not receiving text messages. Simply toggle it on and come back. Now make sure to allow all apps permission on Messages app. Tap Permissions and check whether any of the application permission is denied. Open it and tap Allow. Once done, come back and check for the updates. If it is installed from Play Store, you can easily check for the updates by tapping the search bar and search icon and typing messages. So you can tap on the messages app and if there is any updates, you can tap update and update it to the latest version. Lastly, you can restart your device because sometimes a simple restart can resolve this kind of glitches on your device. Hold the power button on your device. Now, choose restart and restart your device. So by following all these steps, your Android phone not receiving text messages will be fixed. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.